Hey, so this is for number 7 on the word problem worksheet with Harry Gilmore riding his bike on the bike trail in the new bike trail. So it is a rate time distance problem. It's a little bit different than the others, but we set it up the same way. I'm going to do a rate time distance chart. It tells us on, on day 1, it took him 5 hours. So I fill in what I know. I know on day 1 it took 5 hours. I know on day 2 it took 3 hours. It tells me that. Now it says, okay, his speed on the second day was 1.5 times the speed on the first day. His speed on the second day was 1.5 times the speed on the first day. So here's the deal. I don't know how fast he went the first day. That's what I'm going to have my variable be. But it said he went 1.5 times that the second day. So I know however fast he went on the first day, he went 1.5 times that amount on the second day. Well, then to get our distance boxes, we always multiply rate and time together. So the distance on the first day was 5x, and the distance on the second day, if I multiply those together, is 4.5x. And so now I got to think about how can I set up an equation with these distances right here. Well, here's what it says. It says that he rode an extra 8 kilometers on the first day. It said he rode his bike the length of the new bike trail and then rode an extra 8 kilometers on the first day. That means that to make these distances be the same, you would have to add 8 to the second day to make it equal the first day. He went 8 more on this day. So we would have to add 8 to the distance he went on the second day to make it equal the distance he went on the first day. So there's our equation right there. And now we solve. So subtract 4.5x, so 0.5x, so x is 16. But that's not the answer, and so this is where our defining the variables come into play. You know, this is just how fast he went the first day. The question says, how long is the bike trail? Well, think about which of these distances stood for the bike trail. The second day is when he did just the bike trail. Like this distance right here is how long the bike trail is. And we find that distance by just doing 4.5 times whatever x is. So 4.5 times 16, 4.5 times 16 is 72 kilometers. And there it is.